Okay, hello, YouTube fam. It's your boy Nick again, the Big Tuna. You find me on YouTube at HOUTX_traders. For some reason, YouTube, if you type in the underscore and put traders, it doesn't pop up automatically. It thinks it's without the underscore. So maybe I should go back in YouTube and change that handle. But nevertheless, I'm back. Someone said I needed a better microphone, so I'm trying this out for the first time with my wife. So I have a microphone on order, so we'll update that here in a second. But I did have a request for a video on RSIs, okay, indicators that you can use during trader. My opinion, this is the only indicator that you need, okay? All of that other stuff, all the other indicators, whatnot, don't use them, okay? RSI, it's really the only one you need. Keep it simple, okay? So we're going to dive into some charts. We're going to dive in how you could use the RSI. I'm not getting crazy into the math on all of it, how you come up with it, because you're not doing long division while you're trading anyways, right? So let's jump right in. Let's do this. Share my screen here. Boom, here we go. We've got gold. Okay, so what the RSI shows you is the strength of the market and the strength of the trade. So first thing we're going to do is see if I can figure out how to get the settings. So if we double click collapse pane, delete, we don't, let's just click right here. See if that's the settings. That's not it. Okay, I think you double click right here actually. There we go. Okay, here's our RSI inputs. So my RSI length is 14. My source is closed. We're waiting for the candle to close, right? My moving average type is simple. My moving average length, again, like it's 14. I just said that. So then you have RSI settings and you have your moving average settings, and PB standard deviation is 2. Time frame is whatever the chart is on, and wait for time frame to close. Okay, style, I have RSI is black, which is the black line. I have the RSI base moving average is yellow. To be honest with you, I don't even use that, so don't even really look at that, to be honest. Upper band black, lower band. So we have uppers at 70, the middle's at 50, and the lower's at 30. Okay, and then I have it purple. I wanted to make mine a little bit darker, so I came into purple, and then you can adjust how dark it is. I like it to be a little bit darker just so I can see it better, but that's about it. Overbought obviously is green, oversold will be red. You can change how dark you like that as well, right? You could do it like this if you want to. I'm not too concerned about that. We could make it a little bit darker, I suppose, right? Too much. Actually, let's put that on 0. But what I do like is when it comes outside, it's red and it's green. I just think it looks cool. And visibility is everything. All checked. And that's like standard. I didn't change that, I don't believe. Anyways, that's my RSI settings. Here is the RSI on the chart. And here is how you can use the RSI. So you use the RSI for divergence. And let's see, we're on a higher time frame, 8 hour. Let's go to the lower time frame, 15 minutes, only because it'll be easier to see divergent on a smaller time frame. Okay, so what we're looking for when you trade with divergence is a price that's getting higher. Okay, this is not the best example. I'm just telling you what you're looking for price, right? In this situation, price is getting higher, but you would want the RSI to get lower. Okay, so in this situation, the bad example, this is just the first one. Price is getting higher, so it's a good example for showing you what's not RSI then, or not what's not divergent. Price is going up. The RSI, the relative strength index, is also going up. Therefore, this is not divergent. Okay. If we look right here, we have oversold, oversold. That's a double top, but the price is still going up. So we are starting to get into divergence right here. You could actually say on a little bit shorter, this is high, this is low, this is low, this is even lower. You could draw like a little trend line right there. The RSI strength is getting lower. At the same time, price continues to go up. That is divergence. it plays the exact same way on the sell side. You just flip it around, okay? So with the way I use this for taking trades, this is one of my confluences, okay? This is not, I am by no means telling you every time it gets oversold, you hit sell. Or if it comes down here and gets, excuse me, if it's overbought, to hit sell going the opposite direction, or vice versa. Just because it's the red down here doesn't mean that you automatically kick buy. It is very far from the truth. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, whatever your strategy is, whatever it is for you to find trades, let's just say that you're using a fib, okay? And you like to take trades right around the 61.8, okay? That's the magical Fibonacci number. We can go deeper into fibs, another video. I have another video posted. Please go check that out. Like and subscribe. Oh, and by the way, this is not financial advice. This is training. This is the way I do stuff. If you need financial advice, please go see a qualified financial advisor and all that good stuff. This is just for training on how to use RSIs, right? So if you, by any chance, you like to trade around the 61.8, the magical Fibonacci number, you can then use the RSI as a confluence. It is oversold. It is the 61.8. These are two reasons already why the market might flip around and start to sell off. Okay, we can get into some other things, but that's not the point of this video. The point is, when your price action gets into your target area on whatever time frame you'd like to trade on, you can then come down and see that price is getting, this is a 5 minute now, price is getting higher while we are getting lower in strength. And you can see that clearly right here. Okay. I like to use 3 touch method. 1, 2, 3. You'll see 1, 2, 3. These all are getting higher as a confluence to turn around. It's not the best example, but we're still getting divergent here. And when it finally did turn around, okay. This, and again, this is not my trading strategy. I'm not trading here, but if you were a 61.8 trader, you would not have taken this trade in this area anyways, because it's not even in your fib zone yet, right? So it's not in your fib zone. You're not even taking that trade, even though it's showing divergent. You would wait till it hits your fib zone. It gives you some type of market reaction you're looking for, and then you could take the trade. But when it price did get into the zone, as you can see down below, we were divergent as the price is getting higher. That is one extra confirmation, okay? This is why I think the RSI is the only one you need. You keep it simple. You don't need a million things in your chart. And if you'll also see, I have EMAs, SMAs, right? I had this on here, but I don't really use them. These are things that I can mess around with sometimes. Look at the moving average. Okay, but honestly, I don't use them. I have them on there. It is what it is. I don't even have them visible. Sessions. This is one that I used to help find zones or consolidations. I used to use it a lot doing NASDAQ. You can come into the sessions and you could set up your New York, London, whatever time frames you want. Oh, excuse me. This is smart money concepts I'm looking at. Cancel this. Let's go to sessions. Here we go. Inputs. You can London, New York, Tokyo, Sydney. You could set these up to your own time frames and your own colors. And so you could see, like for me, I like to see sometimes what did just London do. Okay. And I had a strategy a few years back where I would only look at, the high and low of London, and then I would expect the market to come back. Again, this is not the reason this video, I'm just talking about indicators. I would expect the market to come back into these areas and retest or whatever. So that's the reason why you see sessions on mine. Okay. Moving averages, smart money concepts can help you sometimes if you're looking to help identify change of characters, equal highs, equal lows, and whatnot. Again, I don't really use it that much, but it's on there. And then just to show you some other indicators that I have, MCAD, moving average exponential, pivot. So pivot, swing and highs can be helpful if you like to identify trend lines. You come out to a little bit higher of a time frame. You can use something like this. Again, it's completely adjustable to mark where the swing pivots are, and maybe you can help help you draw trend lines, right? I don't use this. It's not on my charts. I used it in the past because I was trying to emulate what my broker was doing, which is another video that I'll post here very soon about my broker and their swing markers. Sessions, which I did told you I use smart money concepts on there. I don't use anything else. There's no reason. So if you're a new trader and you think the holy grail is some indicator out there that it's going to tell you when to buy and it's going to tell you when to sell, you're sadly mistaken. It's not going to happen. Stop your search. Stop looking for it. You're wasting your time. Okay. The only one that I feel that you could ever even use, that you ever need, is the RSI. Use it to learn how to look at divergence, keep your trading simple, keep your trading clean. Check out my other videos on how to use fibs, my trading style, my strategy, what liquidity is. All these things are in other videos. This video is for the RSI, and also to let you guys know that all those indicators are just clogging your vision. You want to be able to take precise, timely, quick entries. You need your brain to be able to focus. And with something as simple as the RSI, you can start to see it. It's oversold. It's getting up into my area. It's being the power of the trade is starting to fall. You can look at this very easily, very quickly, and make your determination on it if you want to enter the market. You need to have your zones, your area of interest already determined, and you watch price get to your area, and then you need to make the decision on, do I push the button to buy or sell? So you need that decision to be quick, precise. All those other indicators are going to cloud that judgment and fog you up. So just uh, my for me, I just use the RSI. It's quick, it's easy, it's there, and I can see it, and boom, I hit the button. Okay, so please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please comment. I'll answer the comments. If you have another something else you want me to cover, please put it in the comments down below. Like, subscribe, comment, and it helps me. And watch all the other videos because I'm throwing out some good content. So thank you guys. Have a good day. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.